Megan Off-Leash Canine Boise. Meet Theo. Theo is our newest Freedom 1 Week board and train. He is a 2.5-year-old golden retriever. The owners bring him to us because Theo's brother Maverick just graduated the program as well, and they want to make sure both dogs have the same obedience foundation. Right now, Theo's biggest struggle is the come command. So they see it in 2 different ways at home. The owner says right now that he'll actually come back most of the time when he's off leash if there's no distractions. If he sees a squirrel, a bird, a rabbit, he will take off and not come back. The other thing that he loves to do, being a golden retriever, he loves to pick up socks, towels, anything that's soft at home, and then he runs away from them and plays keep away. So that come command is going to be very important. They also want to make sure he has a good understanding of place. Right now, sometimes Theo will kind of get a little mischievous and get into their trash cans or, just kind of poke around where he's not supposed to be. So that place command is going to be very important for him, especially with his brother Maverick. They also want to make sure that he doesn't jump. Theo's a big boy and he loves to jump up on everyone. When we met him, he was jumping up on us. He was jumping up on the owner. So that off command is going to be very important. He is such a handsome boy. We can't wait to work with him. So make sure you stay tuned for his transformation. Good boy, Theo. Good boy.